How to add or remove drivers on your Liberty Mutual policy. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open any web browser and head over to libertymutual.com. Now tap on the login button. Now enter your email address or username, then enter your password and tap on the login option. If you do not have an account, tap on the create account option to create a new account. Once you have been logged in, navigate to the My Policies section. Now find the specific auto policy you want to modify and then click on the Manage Policy option. Now select the option to add or remove drivers. First, if you want to add a driver, click on that option. Now enter the required details of the new driver such as name, date of birth, driver's license number, and relationship to the policyholder. To remove a driver, simply click on Remove a Driver option and select the driver you wish to remove from the list of covered drivers and confirm the removal. Now, review the changes you've made to ensure accuracy. Confirm the changes and you will receive a confirmation message or email once the changes are successful. You can also do this through the Liberty Mutual mobile app. If you face any difficulty during this process, you can contact the customer support of Liberty Mutual. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.